shit, and I'm like, oh yeah, watch this. I'm gonna go into some weird ass song you've never heard before. And they're like, oh yeah? Got me. Got my ass.
Just gotta keep you on your toes, man.
Got my ass. So I said we have a record out called Just South of Moonlight, right? Did anybody get that when it came out on iTunes? For the ones who didn't, have great news. We have it available here. You can buy it, and it has cool artwork on it, designed by Mr. Mack himself. This is the first single of that record. It's called Annalee. Sitting by the river, side by side, half a mile gone, looking for that. Skipping every rock we had in sight. We were naked as the stars and we can't find light. We knew dear would come with the sun, set like a stone. And I'll sing your sweet Annalee. Back inside, breaking every heart just how we like. Right next to me, we'll be just fine. Well, if you're looking for love, then you'll be mine. Never had a worry, never had a care. None of my fingers too long, dark hair. So early next morning, that girl was gone. Never loved me, never really sung a love song. And she knew the day would come with the sun, set like a stone. And I was feeling sweet Annalee, come back inside, breaking every heart just how we like. Right next to me, you'll be just fine. Oh, love, do you be mine? A queen without a flaw. I was singing sweet Annalee, come back inside, breaking every heart just how we like. Right next to me, you'll be just fine. And if you're looking for love, you'll be right. Sweet Annalee, come back inside, breaking every heart just how we like. Right next to me, you'll be just fine. Just look like love, tastes like wine. If you're looking for love,